What is happening, folks? This is Eli with ehtutorials, and today we actually wanted to do a quick video talking about top 5 items that you can buy at the Dollar Tree for prepping. Let's get started. Number 1 is any form of disposable spoon, fork, or even plates if you see any plates or even napkins that you could get. These items you can throw away or even use in a campfire. Moving on to number 2, we're going to talk about candles. There are so many different types of candles that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Some are even battery operated, and you can get those, and they can just help light a room, or you can just get a basic one. There's different types. We have tall ones as well there that you can actually buy for $1.25. So it's a great item for prepping, and if you want to get the religious ones, they're also there as well. The next item that we're going to talk about is toothbrushes and toothpaste and anything related to fixing your teeth or cleaning your teeth. If you find something that you like that you normally would use and buy at TBS, here you can buy it for $1.25 and just pretty much have it stored. And I don't really think that it has an expiration date or anything like that. So you can actually use it for negotiating and basically kind of use it as a currency, if you will. Number 4 is going to be batteries. Any kind of batteries that you can get for your flashlight, for your pretty much your kids' toys, or really any kind of electronics like radios. This is something that you must have. It's a must-have for everybody. So batteries, get them. And last but not least, we're going to talk about Tupperware. You need to get Tupperware that you can use to store food or even make a first aid kit that you can have around you if you have to go on a bug out bag. So pretty much anything that you could have some storage or any kind of food will help. I do want to give out a disclaimer that even though it doesn't seem like any of these things could happen that could put us in a position where we need to be prepared, it is important to always prepare. I mean, you never know. Things are crazy. We are in a war, and pretty much there's a lot of stuff going on.